When you choose Spec Surgical Industry, you choose quality, you choose reliability. Experience the Spec Surgical Industry difference today. In the world of gynecological instrumentation, precision and innovation are not just desirable, they're imperative. Today, we turn the spotlight on a true embodiment of these principles, the Japanese vaginal speculum. Created by Spec Surgical Industry, this instrument is more than a tool. It's a testament to the relentless pursuit of quality. Originating from Sialkot, Pakistan, each speculum exemplifies meticulous crafting and rigorous testing. The objective? To ensure optimal performance and unmatched durability, providing healthcare professionals with the confidence they need to carry out every procedure flawlessly. Trust is a cornerstone in the realm of medical instruments, a truth that is deeply ingrained in the ethos of Spec Surgical Industry. The Japanese vaginal speculum is a shining example of this trust, exceeding expectations and raising the bar for the standard of care. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the difference precision engineering can make in gynecological examinations. Reach out to Spec Surgical Industry today and bring the power of the Japanese vaginal speculum into your practice. As we conclude this presentation, remember this. When you choose Spec Surgical Industry, you choose quality, you choose reliability. Experience the Spec Surgical Industry difference today.